Hello everybody, Eliott5891 here with another KTANE module tutorial. This time we're covering the tap code module, a relatively recent one to come out. A little edge work dependent, so we've got it up at the top. But here is tap code. You may notice it looks startlingly similar to Blind Alley and or Braille. Like Blind Alley, there's actually no visible highlights when you go over it. Which may lead to the question, well, how do I know if this is Blind Alley or if this is tap code? Tap code, the way it works is it starts beeping at you once you click it. Or when you hold on it, rather. Which obviously Blind Alley doesn't, but you can't do that in the middle of a bomb. But this one, the way it responded to me holding it here on the main part of the module, it'll also do that if I hold the status light, whereas Blind Alley doesn't do anything with the status light. So that's kind of your key to success. Alright, so having held that, you kind of heard that when you hold it, you get a set of beeps with some delays, some clicks, some, I don't know, wood blocks. I'm not exactly sure what the tapping sound is. That's going to correspond to a word on this table. So I'm going to click it again. And as the diffuser, you're going to listen to it and you're going to tell how many clicks are between each gap. So let's listen again. 5. 5. 1. 5. 1. 2. 4. 2. 1. 1. You'll always get 10 sets of 10 sets of taps. These are going to split into pairs of 5 pairs. Boop, 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 boop. And as it says here, once you've found it, you're going to use, each letter is represented by the row number of taps, then the column number of taps in this little table here. So, for example, that first thing, which was 5, 5, that's just telling me go row 5, column 5. That's a Z. Z. 1-5, row 1, column 5. That's an echo. 1, 2 is a Bravo. 4, 2 is a Romeo. And 1, 1 is an Alpha. So the word that it sent me is zebra. Well, we need to find that in the chart. Zebra. Boop. And then we're going to move. We're going to move the amount of the last digit of the serial number in the direction according to this condition. Last digit is a 9. If there's a 0 in the serial number, you're going to instead move the sum of the serial number digits. But we don't need to worry about that right this second. The first 2 characters of the serial are letter, letter, number, number, letter, number, number, letter. We have letter, letter. That moves us up. Last digit is a 9, so we're going to move up 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's going to put us on zooms. Table does loop, like 00 or Gridlock or a number of other modules that have tables like that. Loop off one end, you go back to the other side. But you're going to move that, and then you're going to punch in this code, zooms. Same number conversion. So Z is 5, 5. O is 3, 4, row 3, column 4. Another O is 3, 4. M is 3, 2. S is 4, 3. So as the expert, you're going to tell your diffuser to hit this sequence. 5. They tap it 5 times. Wait for the click. 5. 3, 4, 3, 4. 3. 4. 3. 4. 3, 2. 3. 2. 4, 3. 4. 3. When you think you have the answer, click it one last time to finish. and you're done. Okay, let's do another one. We'll show a couple other things about this module. Uh, so like I said, if we didn't know that this was tap code, we could tap or hold up here on the status light. And there we go. Alright, so let's, I don't think I can restart this, and I'd rather not try because I'm not sure I'd know when the transition is if it works. So we're going to let it tap itself out real quick. And then like before, we're going to play the part of the diffuser, and we're going to count out how many taps are between each gap. Here we go. Okay. I think my mouse kicked out. I think that's supposed to be a 2 though. If you're not sure, if you think you missed something, just hold it, do it again. I think I got 4, 3, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yep. So let's convert. 4, 3. Row 4, column 3 is an S. 2, 4 is an I. 2, 2 is a G. 2, 3 is an H. 4, 4 is a T. That spells site. So we find site on the board. You could control F. I kind of feel like it sort of feels cheaty on the module, much like I won't do that with jukebox, for example. So there's site. No 0 in the serial number, so we're going to move the last character, that's 1, 1 space to the, it's a letter, up. So we move up 1 to sweet. Sweet is going to be 4, 3, 4, 5, 2, 5, no, 2, 4. 4, 4, 1, 5. So 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 4, 4, 4. So 2, 4, 4, 4, 1, 5. 1, 5. One more click to submit. Now, let's say you don't want to wait for all that clicky at the beginning. You could also just try to basically submit like a number up here in the status light. Click this a couple times. Oh look, it's making noises. That must be tap code as opposed to Blind Alley, which would have ignored that. Problem is, I've now submitted, I think I clicked 5 and 1, so a V. But when you hold the button to listen to the clicks, that resets the board. Now there's 1 or 2 other things about this we haven't seen. So if we don't see them this time, we'll talk about them after. Let's listen. Okay, that was a short one. 1, 3 is Charlie. 3, 1 is Lima. 1, 1 is Alpha. 4, 3 is Sierra. 2, 3 is Hotel. That spells Clash. This actually sort of covers what I wanted to talk about. The last other thing about this, as you'll notice, the table there only has room for 25 letters, but there's 26 alphabetic letters. As a result, C's and K's are both treated as C's, as Charlies. So this first thing that I said was a Charlie could have been a Kilo instead. Now it turned out to be a Charlie this time. But that's something to be aware of. Really comes into play when you have words that have lots of C's and K's, like check or knack. So, just something to be aware of. So let's look up Clash. Da, 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 CL. There's Clash. Last digit is an 8. Letter number, we have a different pattern finally. Letter number is going to be a leftward movement, 8 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mixer. So for mixer, Mixer. 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4. I'm trying to click loud enough you can hear me do it. It's a little tricky. 5, 3, 1, 5, 4, 2. Submit. Alright, one more chance for you to do it. As opposed to what I usually do, I'm going to mute the game, and then I'm going to tap it out and give you the counts. You can see the edge work there. We end in a 1. It is number. Your tap code is going to be 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. I think we may have actually had this one. I'm pretty sure that comes out to be sight again. But you can confirm that, figure out where we need to go from there, what sort of answer we should get. Go ahead and pause if you need some more time. Let's listen to it again just to confirm. Two is G. Yes. 2, 3 is H. 4. 4. 4, 4 is sight. So yes, that is sight again. So we're going to start back at sight again. Gotta find it again real quick. Now wearing my glasses, this is a little trickier than usual for me. We are doing number. Number moves us down. 1 space from the 1 at the end of the serial number is going to give us venom. Venom is going to be, click, N-O-M, 5115, 5, 1, 1, 5, N-O-M, 333432, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3. I think I clicked it twice there. 2. I'm not sure, so let's gamble and try it. Incorrect. So I messed up. I think I clicked twice on the O instead of 3 times for the first part. It's very hard to check your work. If you think you messed up, you can always just hold the button, have it play the sequence back. That does reset your input, as it says here. That is, holding the module will also reset any input. So let's try that again. VE is 5115, 5, 1, 1, 5, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, OM 3432, 3, 4, 3, 2. I misclicked it again. It's very, very easy to misclick on this one. It is not the most generous module when it comes to not screwing up, not being able to kind of count your stuff. VENOM. I'm punching the letters in the right order. It looks like I am. It definitely looks like I am. So I'm assuming that I'm just, again, being a little uncareful or incorrect with my thing, but let's double check. Let's listen to the word again, make sure I got it right. Because at this point I'm wondering if maybe I did mishear it. 4, 2, oh, 2, 4, 2, 2. So I did make a mistake when I heard it. The word is not sight. It's a 4-2, not a 4-3 like I thought it was. So it's actually right. So instead of being over here at sight, we should be over here at, where is right? There it is. So if we move down, we get ferry. Should never be over. If you err on this one, that doesn't hurt to listen to it again. It takes a long time to play through sometimes, but that's why you want to do it. So we need ferry. F-A-F-A-I-R-Y. So that's 2-1-1-1. 2-1-1-1. 2-4-4-2. 2-4-4-2. 5-4. 5-4. Submit. And that's how tap code works. So it is kind of important to, it's very important to be cautious when you're listening to it. The single letter mess up, as you can see there, can be disastrous. So keep that in mind as you're going through this one. But that's it for this time, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have comments, questions, concerns, suggestions, please leave them down below, as always. And until next time, guys, it's been Elias. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Don't explode. Bye.